Are you searching for the best digital manifold? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best digital manifold in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1. HONGSEN HS330 Digital Manifold. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Elitech LMG10 Digital Manifold Gauge. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. HTI new HT750 Digital Pressure Gauge. Upgrade your HVAC system monitoring with digital manifold gauges, the cutting-edge solution designed to enhance efficiency and accuracy in HVAC maintenance and diagnostics. With advanced digital technology and user-friendly features, digital manifold gauges offer unparalleled precision and convenience for HVAC professionals. Application: HTI AC Manifold Gauge Set. Intelligent Electronic Refrigerant Group Instrument is an auxiliary instrument for the installation, testing, and maintenance of refrigeration equipment such as air conditioners, fridge and cold storage. Feature: accurate readings. Digital manifold gauges offer real-time and precise pressure and temperature measurements. Multiple refrigerant support. Our gauges are compatible with a wide range of refrigerants, eliminating the need for multiple tools. From our 22 to our 410A and beyond, work confidently with various HVAC systems. Data logging and analysis. Capture and analyze crucial data using the built-in data logging feature. Wireless connectivity and mobile app integration. Stay connected and in control with wireless connectivity options. User-friendly interface. Digital manifold gauges feature intuitive interfaces with easy-to-read displays and straightforward controls. Compact and durable design, built for demanding job sites. These gauges are compact, lightweight, and rugged.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Elitech EMG40V Intelligent 4 Valves Digital Manifold Kit. System leakage testing, monitoring the process of pressure holding and vacuum leakage. Test precisely with temperature compensation. Smart touchscreen. Elitech EMG40V Digital Manifold adopts multiple HVAC tools in one unit. It shows changes in vacuum, pressure, and temperature in clear data, and graph display. Supports data monitoring and analysis in real time. 100,000 points of data can be recorded and exported by USB. Automatic calculation. Measure the superheating and subcooling temperature of 88 refrigerants automatically. Refrigerants used frequently can be saved on top. Convenient. Thanks to the 4-way valve and automatic heat pump mode, there is no need to switch over to different refrigerant hoses. Number 5. DSZH Electronic Fluoride Gauge Digital Display Manifold Tester. DSZH Electronic Fluoride Gauge Digital Display Manifold Tester. Refrigerant vacuum pressure gauge. Air conditioning leak detection.